Hello and welcome. So in this lesson, we will talk about ranges, and we already mentioned ranges on the first lesson, maybe. So now we're gonna do some practice on ranges. So remember when I said a group of adjacent, like group of cells, or adjacent cell, they are ranges. And so if I click on this cell and drag it, so I have this range start from B3 and ends with C7. Okay, so if you click here, okay, so now if you this range you can sorry, those ranges here, now you can sorry, again. Okay, so this is the first way you can select the range by just clicking on it. Click on the mouse somewhere and drag it to wherever you want to end. Okay, or you can start from this one and shift and then click on this one. It will create another range, and then also again click on this one and then shift, hold the shift, and then click anywhere you will make. So I'll click on 8 here, which is C8. So I will create this range. So now this is how we can create. Other way of creating the range, you can use this one. So I want to say, okay, let's make B, let's make it B, B3 through C7. Click enter. Sorry. So this is the range. Okay, so you can do everything you want with it. So, and then for example, if you want to add all of this number, you need to use range. Okay, so for example, when I click here and then shift and then here, okay, so if you notice here, maybe you see it or not, sorry, there is something called sum here on the here. You can look down and you see sum. Okay, so this is, if you click on it here, okay, and then you see count, and then you see average. Okay, so if I want to click here, and then you have to write a word before this range, so you cannot use it the same way we did before. Okay, so let me write this one here, shift through this one. So I want to find the sum of them. So here, sorry, again here, this one, and then throw this one, and then I'm gonna use sum. So I will say sum. Okay, and then B3 through C7, and then I click enter. So equal, sorry, I forgot equal sum. Okay, this is the sum. I will say then B3 through C7. Okay, you see how what's happening now when I click it. So in the range, when you want to use a formula, you have to say equal first, and then you put name, not just like adding them like this. Okay, and then close your parenthesis and click enter. You will see the number. Okay, again, if you want to use the average, for example, so you could say equal, and then just write AV, average. This is the formula, and then write from where I will say, okay, I want to use the range of B5, which is from March, P5 through, because range, this is 9, I could say C9, C9. Okay, you see how it's it's selected by themselves, and then close your parentheses, click enter, you will see the average. Okay, so this is how you can work with ranges, and then how to use those predefined functions. Okay, this is range. It's very simple, and I hope you can do it. Just practice it and go ahead and do it. Thank you for watching, and see you again.